Fasting might make you feel low, bored, or weak, but trust me, benefits of fasting are far than these things. Today, I will talk about how to lose weight and achieve your ideal body without doing any workout, and how to be energetic throughout the day. Watch the complete video to know all those steps and routine. Hey everyone, I am Dr. Talat and welcome to the OT. Benefits of fasting. It's a natural healing process, a body cleanser. After fasting, your body acts as a new machine. So, let's start with the Ramadan routine that will help you to feel energetic and healthy throughout the day or throughout the month. Number 1 is hydration. Keep a water bottle close throughout the night and drink whenever possible. It prevents dehydration, headache, migraine, mood swings, and maintain blood pressure. You can add slices of cucumber, watermelon, or tomato, and even mint to your water bottle. After a whole day of not eating and feeling hungry, overeating is also common. I know, after a long time of hunger, we want to eat a lot, but try to control your tongue even when you are not fasting. Don't eat chilies or spicy food much. Avoid fried foods. Focus on more veggies than fast food. Add salad and sprouts to your iftar. Add dairy products like curd, paneer, milk to your sahri time. Working out in empty stomach is harmful as it's not burn your fat but it burns your muscles. So what to do? No exercise for the whole month? No, it's not like that. I am sharing a secret that will help you to achieve that flat belly you have ever dreamed of. Just 2 to 5 minutes daily for a month and you will amaze with the results. So how to perform it? Exhale through your mouth and remove all the air from your lungs. And then slowly inhale as much as you can and hold the air into your stomach. All you have to do is pressurize your stomach inside toward your back. Hold this position for at least 2 minutes and then exhale. You can also do gentle stretch to get a flexible body. Don't be a couch potato. 8 hours sleep is enough. Don't break your routine and remember to take deep sleep to be more productive, energetic and fresh throughout the day. So these are some easy tips and routine which you can easily add up to your month and you can gain maximum health benefits from this. So follow these routines and tips and adapt all healthy and good habits for your life but not for just a month. I wish you a productive month and a happy life.